Elon Musk is the owner of a Gulfstream G650ER private jet with registration N628DS. The jet was built in 2015 and delivered in 2016. Private jet of Elon Musk has been grabbing headlines in the last week, since the Twitter drama broke out between him and a 19-year-old college student. While Musk refused to pay to remove the Twitter bot tracking his private jet, the episode got us interested in the aircraft that ferries the world's richest person around the planet. The aircraft in question is a Gulfstream G650ER business jet. The automated Twitter bot used the technology to constantly track Elon's movements whenever he took to the sky. The G650ER is an extended-range version of the standard G650, and can fly 7,500 nautical miles, more than 8,600 miles, without refueling. It is powered by a pair of Rolls-Royce BR725 engines. The BR725 engine offers a time between overhaul of up to 10,000 hours, resulting in reduced maintenance costs. The eco-friendly engine also delivers low emissions and noise levels, while its high performance allows for a maximum takeoff weight of 46,992 kilograms at higher speeds. The maximum passenger capacity of the G650ER is 19, while the aircraft can carry 8 passengers to a maximum distance of 11,853 kilometers at a maximum speed of 956 kilometers per hour. The long-range speed of the aircraft is 904 kilometers per hour. Let's go back in history a bit. The Gulfstream G650 is produced by Gulfstream Aerospace. The model is designated Gulfstream GVI in its type certificate, and may be configured to carry from 11 to 18 passengers. Gulfstream began the G650 program in 2005, and revealed it to the public in 2008. The G650 was formerly the company's largest and fastest business jet. The aircraft project was named the 2014 winner of the Collier Trophy, for significant technological advancements in aircraft performance, cabin comfort, and safety. The G650 had a nominal list price of $64.5 million in 2013, but there was a 3-year waiting list. Some aircraft produced for delivery in 2013 sold for more than $70 million to buyers that wanted to take immediate delivery, after rising to $71 to $73 million in 2014. Initial enthusiasm dissipated, and the value of pre-owned G650s stabilized at $50 million. The G650 can be equipped with a full kitchen and bar, as well as a variety of entertainment features including satellite telephones and wireless internet. To better use the main cabin space, Gulfstream designers rejected the usual circular fuselage cross-section in favor of an oval which uses a flatter lower portion. The cabin is 2.59 meters wide and 1.96 meters high. The fuselage and wing are constructed mostly of metal, while composite materials are used for the empennage, wing luts, rear pressure bulkhead, engine cowlings, cabin floor structure and many fairings. Cabin windows, 8 on each side of the fuselage, are 71 centimeters wide. The G650ER features a large cabin compared to other business aircraft in its class. The cabin offers a total interior length of 16.33 meters and can be customized according to the requirements of customers. Passengers can control the internal temperature, electronic devices, window shades and lights using their mobiles with the help of a Gulfstream Cabin Management System mobile app. Other standard features include high-end televisions, digital audio and video devices, storage, and cooking facilities. The aircraft controls are completely fly-by-wire, with no mechanical control between pilot and flight surfaces. The surfaces are moved by dual hydraulic systems. There are 264 Gulfstream G650ER aircraft in operation today. North America has the largest percentage of wholly owned Gulfstream G650ER aircraft, 58%, followed by Asia, 29%, and Europe, 8%.